Dwight, a curious British Jamaican tourist, had always been enchanted by Jamaica's lush landscapes. On his holiday, he decided to explore the dense forest beyond the usual trails, eager for adventure. As he wandered deeper into the jungle, the sunlight dimmed through the thick canopy. Suddenly, he stumbled upon an unusual sight: a small, ancient house covered in vines, seemingly out of place among the wild greenery. Its windows shimmered with an iridescent glow. Intrigued, Dwight approached and knocked. To his amazement, the house's door swung open on its own, revealing a warm, glowing interior. Inside, the walls pulsed with a soft, rhythmic light. Then, to his astonishment, the house spoke. "Welcome, Dwight," it said in a gentle, melodic voice. "I am the Sentinel House, guardian of the forest's secrets." Dwight blinked in disbelief. "A talking house? This is incredible!" The house explained that it was a centuries-old construct, built from enchanted materials that allowed it to communicate and protect the forest from harm. It told Dwight that the jungle held ancient energies, and that humans often disturbed its balance. Realizing the importance of preserving this magical place, Dwight promised to keep it secret and to respect the forest. As he turned to leave, the house's voice echoed softly, "Remember, the true magic lies in harmony." Dwight returned to his hotel with a renewed sense of wonder and responsibility. From that day on, he became an advocate for preserving Jamaica's natural and mystical treasures, forever enchanted by the talking house in the heart of the jungle.